Hello students, today we are going to discuss about adrenergic agents. Adrenergic agents can which exert an action similar to adrenaline. These are known as adrenergics or sympathomimetic drug. Adrenaline, that is a hormone secreted by adrenal medulla of adrenal glands. Adrenaline or noradrenaline, these are the mediators released at the synapse or adrenergic nerve endings that can secrete in the body and control various biological activities or functions that can produce different pharmacological functions like rise in BP, cardiac stimulation, constriction of peripheral blood vessels, relaxation of bronchi muscles, smooth muscles, central nervous system stimulation, contraction of ureters. That can also be useful in the treatment of an asthma or other related condition of bronchial spasm, cardiac block, hypotension, low BP, nasal congestion, nasal blocker, stimulation of the central nervous system for mild analeptics effect, also in obesity for their anorexic actions. The compounds related to adrenaline, these are more or less selective in their actions, so belonging to class that are known as beta phenyl ethylamine. So structure is mainly divided into four parts. First is phenyl ring, second beta group, third alpha group, fourth amino group. Second is the adrenergic agents. Adrenergic agents are basically divided into four parts according to their biological action. First one is vasopressor, second bronchodilators, vasoconstrictor और nasal decongestant और miscellaneous. Vasopressor में आ जाएगा पहले adrenaline. Adrenaline, these are catechol derivatives, dihydroxybenzene nucleus with two carbon atoms with side chain having amino or hydroxy function. These are basic in nature and form a salt like hydrochloride, sulfate, tartrates, which are water solubles. Or adrenaline, also known as epinephrine. In structure, 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl 2-methylamine. That is a white light crystals, springly soluble, means less soluble in water. That is mainly act on smooth muscles, also produce response similar to that evoked by the stimulation of sympathetic nerves that can also stimulate the heart, increase heart rate, rise BP or relax the muscles of intestine or bronchi. Also used in bronchial spasm, also in asthma, also used in topical form, also in hay fever, also in combination with other local anesthetic because of vasoconstrictor actions. Next is non-adrenaline. Non-adrenaline, also that the vasopressor drugs, it consists of 2-3-hydroxyphenyl ethyl ammonium hydrogen tartrates. That is also a white crystalline powder highly soluble in water. That also stored in airtight or light resistance container. It's also used in treatment of vasomotor collapse, also to maintain that BP in acute hypotensive state जब BP लो होता है उस केस में, और in acute cardiac infarction. Next is isoprenaline sulfate, that is 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl 2-isopropylamino ethanol sulfate. That can also decrease the BP or relax smooth muscles of gastric tract, also as a cardiac stimulant or given by sublingual, that means under the tongue. Also used in treatment of asthma, in bradycardia means low heart rate, also stimulate in heart attack, also in the form of tablet or as inhaler. So usual dose is 10 mg. Next is phenylephrine. Phenylephrine में होता है 1,3-hydroxyphenyl 2-methylamino ethanol hydrochlorides. It's also a white crystalline powder highly soluble in water in airtight container or sterilized by filtration. That can also use as a mediatrix agents or as a vasoconstrictor. It prolong the action of local anesthetic. Local anesthetic action को ये बढ़ा देता है और in case of low BP use होता है और given by IM or subcutaneous dose. Usual dose is 5 mg. Next is मेम्फेट्रामीन सल्फेट. ये होता है N अल्फ़ा ट्राईमिथाइल फिनाइल इथाइल अमोनियम सल्फेट. इट इज़ सॉल्युबल इन वाटर, वाइट क्रिस्टलाइन पाउडर होता है और एसिडिक टू लिटमस. इट आल्सो यूज इन हाइपोटेंसिव स्टेट, बीपी को बढ़ाता है और लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए बीपी को राइज करता है। इंट्रावेनस डोज है 20 to 80 mg। नेक्स्ट इज मेट्रामोनियल टार्ट्रेट। इसमें होता है 2 अमीनो 1,3 हाइड्रोक्सी फिनाइल प्रोपेन 1 ओल्ड हाइड्रोजन टार्ट्रेट्स that also sterilized by filtration, insoluble in ether or chloroform, also in treatment of shock, also in spinal anesthesia or in nasal congestion। next is methoxamine। इसमें होता है 2 अमीनो 1,2,5 डाईमिथॉक्सीफिनाइल प्रोपेन 1 और हाइड्रोक्लोराइड that is also a white crystalline powder, slight odor, freely soluble in water, that also preserved in light resistance। इसे भी light resistance कंटेनर में स्टोर होता है। it can also restore the BP, so given dose of IV is 3 to 5 mg dose, also in surgical operation। next is cyclopentamine hydrochloride, that is alpha dimethyl cyclopentane ethylene diamine। next is dopamine। dopamine that is 4,2 amino ethyl pyrocatechol hydrochloride, that is also white crystalline powder, springly soluble in alcohol, also protect from light, also used in treatment of shock because it rise cardiac output, also given by intravenous route। next is ephedrine। ephedrine क्या है, हमारी क्रूड ड्रग, मेनली obtained from ephedra। इसमें 2 asymmetric कार्बन एटम होते हैं, 4 स्टीरियोआइसोमर्स, erythroform also known as ephedrine and trio is known as pseudoephedrine, that also used in as a decongestant, also used in asthma, in as a vasoconstrictor, in hay fever, in bronchial asthma। next is ephedrine, that is also stereoisomers of ephedrine, phenyl propane ethylene hydrochromide, also used as a vasoconstrictor or CNS stimulant। Thank you।